If you love thrifting, upcycling clothes, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 25 upcycling ideas straight from the creators found on Pinterest, and I handpicked the cutest, smartest, most doable ones for this video. Be sure to vote for your favorite idea, because I need to know which Pinterest upcycling ideas you want me to try next. And be sure to mark a like to indicate that you voted.
Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden things. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things.
We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there.